Hello friends, and welcome back to Halwa Tech. Today, we are testing Google's newest model, Gemini Omni Flash. It is the latest AI from Google, and you can create up to 2-minute videos with a single prompt. With Gemini Omni Flash, you can take your video editing to a whole new level. You can make precise, professional edits in seconds, keep your characters looking exactly the same across every scene, and even generate entire projects from simple text or images. It really is an all-in-one creative tool that does the hard work for you. There is so much to show you, so let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. This is the main prompt area of Google Flow, and here you can see the notification bar of Google Gemini's latest model, Omni Flash. First, Omni Flash understands physics. This means it knows how objects should behave in the real world. In the video you see now, look at how the ball hits the glass. The Gemini Omni Flash model understands gravity and force, so the movement looks very realistic. It's amazing to see. Second, it is great at video editing. You can make changes to a video just by talking to the AI. For example, in this video I started with one scene, and then I told the AI to change the ground and the umbrella. It happened instantly. I also created a second video for a product. We can even turn a simple photo into a professional product video. As you can see, I just uploaded one product image, and the Omni Flash model created a full video from it. The third feature, character consistency, is really amazing in this model. Also, the most interesting thing is the agent feature. Using agent, we can create up to a 1-minute video with just a simple prompt. For this, go to character and enter the character details. I'm creating a single image with 4 different scenes, but with the same character. The character consistency is amazing in this model. We can also select a voice, and the character will use the same voice in every scene of the video. So both the character consistency issue and voice consistency issue have been solved using Omni Flash. We can also set a custom name for this character. Now the amazing thing is that we can call this character in the prompt by just typing "orange" and entering the name. After that, we use the prompt box to generate up to a 1-minute video using the agent. This is the most interesting part. So, I just entered a simple prompt for creating a 1-minute video and hit enter. The agent started checking and running. On the right side, you can see that the agent is creating a complete idea. It created up to 7 scene details with just a single prompt. Now we simply click Proceed, and it will create all 7 scenes at the same time. We'll wait for it to complete, and after that, we'll download it as a single video. Now the scenes are completing, and first we'll check whether the agent combined everything together. But no, it didn't combine all the scenes into a single video. You can see it says it can't combine all the scenes automatically. But now we have an option for this. Simply click on the 3 dots and then click on Add to Scene. Do this for all the scenes and they will combine into a single video. Now that they are combined and we can watch the final result. It's looking really good and all the scenes are connected properly. Now we can download this as a single video. It will take some time because the video size is large, and it also
for an adventure. Today, I'm finally heading for the ridge.
Has to combine all the scenes together. Now the download is complete, and it's looking amazing.
Calls for an adventure. Today, I'm finally heading for the ridge.
Please like the video and subscribe to Halwa Tech for more helpful videos.
The world opens up. There's nothing quite like a summit sunset to remind you why you started. It's a bit of a scramble near the top, but the higher you go, the better it feels.